to do is that you go to your Play Store. If you use an what's it called, Android phone. If you use an Apple phone, you go to Apple Store. All right, so I'm gonna click on my Play Store right now. All right, so once I do that, then here at the very top I'm gonna search for cheaper. I'm gonna search for CHIPPERCASH. All right, once I search for CHIPPERCASH, what I want to do is to install it. But right now it's saying update because I have the CHIPPERCASH already, so let me update it. So but for you're going to install it. So after which you've installed, then you open it up, you do your registration, put your email, put your BVN, just make sure you fill everything needed to get your account verified. So after that, so the next thing you want to do is go to your, I don't know which platform you're using to run your ad, maybe from your app. So if you're using Meta app, so all you just need to do is come here to your Meta app, or if you're using your Facebook, add business.facebook.com. maybe you're using a dashboard, they add dashboard from Facebook. You just do that on Facebook but for me, I'm using this Meta ads. So I'm gonna click on Meta ad. This is where I run my advert. Okay, so right now you can see I have like 2 adverts running. So what I want to do right now is to click on the settings button. So I'm gonna click on the setting. So this is the setting button right here, the bottom here. So I'm gonna click on it. So once I click on it, then I'm coming to payments. You see payments? Let me go back so that you see payments. So I'm coming to payments. This is payments, right? So click on it. So once I'm on payments, you can see my account. I have 600 naira here, so I want to add more fund. All right, so I'm going to click on add fund, but before I do that, I have to go to my, let me see my CHIPPERCASH. Okay, CHIPPERCASH is here. My CHIPPERCASH is running now, so sorry about this. So I'm going to go to my Chipper. So from my Chipper, after which you've registered, you verify your Chipper. So what you want to do is to make sure you fund your Chipper. So from here, I have 2,000 on my Chipper. So how do you fund your Chipper? Once you come into the dashboard here, just click on this one right here at the very top, this wallet. Click on it. When you click on the wallet, it's going to pop up account number. I'm going to do that right now. See my account number on Chipper. So this is my account number. All right, and this is the account name. All right, so you copy. Once you tap it once, it copies the account number. Once you tap it once, it copies. So once you tap it, you go to whatever account you want to transfer the money from. So after which you've transferred your money here and your money has been received, you can see my 2,000 naira I just transferred recently. So then you come to your card. Come to card right here. See card. Click on card. So I'm gonna click on card right now, and then yeah, from card you just click on top up. Then you put the amount you just transferred here. You put the amount. After which you put the amount, you click on add fund, and you are good to go. Right, once you have your fund here, you can see I have my 2,000 naira here already. So what I need to do right now is to click on this show. Once I click on show, it shows my card details. My card details is going to be appearing here, but I won't do that right now for security reasons. So I'm going to pause it and come back. So you copy your card details. Once you click on show, it's going to give you your card details. there's a copy button at the very right hand side of the card details. You will see that copy button. Click on it. It's going to copy the 16 digits. So right now from here you are going to click on add font. I'm back to my meta now. So right now I'm going to put the amount I want to fund my ad with. So I'm going to put 2,000 naira. Then here, don't forget, you're not going to use this debit. So this time around you're going to use Naira Payment Master. So I'm going to click on it right here. So I'm going to click on this, which is the second one. So I'll click next. It's going to pop up another place for me. Oh, sorry, I need to, okay, good. So right now I'm going to zoom out. You can see continue. Click on continue. Again, from that side, right now what I'm going to do is to click on this part that says card. I'm going to click on it, then put in the card details, and I'll be right back. All right, so once you put your card information, the next thing you want to click on, you click on pay. This pay, you click on the pay button. All right, so once you click on pay, you see something like this. You wait for it. So after that, what you need to do next is they're going to send you a code from UBA. You see, from UBA. So you just wait for the code to come into your phone as an SMS. So I'm going to copy the one-time code. You can see that's dropped. So I'm going to copy it right now. Click on copy. So after that, you paste the code here, then you click on submit. When you click on submit, you're good to go. So I'm going to wait for it. All right, so I'm waiting for it. It's going to say successful, something like that. All right, it says your transaction was successful. So you click on continue, and we are just going to wait for it. So it's going to do this. So just forget about this. Go to your ad Meta app. So right now we have 2,600 there. So that shows I have funded my ad account. So my ad can continue running. And let's go. My ad can continue running, and I'm good to go. Thank you so much. God bless you.